Hey, what's up guys, this is Omraut and in today's video we will be unboxing Redmi 4 3GB RAM 32GB ROM variant. As you can see, I have ordered this product from Amazon, so let's unbox it. Here you can see all the shipping details. After flipping it, there is a bill attached to the package. Box of Redmi 4 is protected by bubble wrap. On the front of the box, number 4 is written in cream color. On the back of the box, you can see Made in India label and some info about it. Redmi 4 is written on both left and right side similarly, and there is a Mi logo on top and the bottom of the box. Now let's unbox it and see what content we get inside and how. First we get Redmi 4 handset itself. On the right side of it we get power button and volume controls. On the top there is headphone jack and IR blaster by which you can control your TV or AC, etc. Below the handset you will get warranty card and other leaflets. After removing the leaflets, we will get charging adapter, SIM ejector tool and USB cable. As other Xiaomi product, there is no headphone pack in the box. In Redmi 4, there is hybrid SIM slot in which we can put one SIM plus one memory card or two SIMs. But you can use hybrid SIM card adapter, and by that you can put two SIM cards and one memory card at same time. On the right side we will have power buttons and volume controls. At the bottom there are two speaker grill, one for mic and one for speaker, and in the middle of that there is USB port. Camera, LED flash and fingerprint sensor is on the back. On the left side we will be having SIM card slot and no other button. We will just look at the specs of Redmi 4. that's it for now. If you like the video, hit that like button, and if you have any suggestions, comment it down. Don't forget to share this video with all of your friends and family. And for more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next.